Here's how to add a music to your Facebook post. So go ahead and launch your Facebook application on your device. Log into your specific account. Click on the plus icon to add a post on your Facebook. Then enter what's on your mind. You can also add different styles if you want, or mention someone on Facebook. And in the top, you'll get the option of music, people, location, feeling, and activity, and event. So let's go ahead and click on music to add any song that you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and search for good morning songs. You'll get a list of music that you can select. You can click on this play icon to preview the music that you want to. And if you're sure that you want to use the specific music, go ahead and select it. Likewise, you can also go ahead and tag people, add location, also add feeling and activity status or the event as well. And in the bottom left corner, you can select your audience, either friends, public, or specific friends, or only you. Then after click on post from the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll be done. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to fully upload and appear on your profile. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.